In my previous videos, I already showed you the basic tools in Figma. Now, we're taking it a step further by experimenting with shapes to make your funnel or website look more beautiful and attractive to your clients. Before we start, I just want to quick introduce myself. My name is Jazz and I am also beginner in this field of website design, UX, UI learning, Figma designing, and digital content creation. I am still learning, still exploring, and still practicing every day. So everything that I'm sharing here is based on my own experience, trial and error, and free tools that I personally use while learning. I am not professional expert yet, and I'm not affiliated with any company or platform that I mentioned in this video. I simply want to share the things that help me as a beginner, because maybe it can also help you if you are just starting. So if you are learning like me, then let's explore Figma together and let's start designing. So first, go ahead and open your Google and type in Figma. If you already have an account, you'll see your dashboard right away with all your previous projects. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Just sign up, enter your details, and you'll be able to use the platform right away. Since I already have my account, I'm just going to log in. Once you're inside, go to the top right corner and click the blue Design button. That's usually the first thing I do when starting a new project. After that, I always name my project right away. Trust me, this helps a lot so your file don't get mixed up later. For this one, I'll name it Shapes. Now let's create our frame. Go to the toolbar and click on the frame tool. Then on the left side, you can choose the size of your frame. For me, I'm going to select desktop because today we're designing a website. Once the frame is added, I like to rename it to Home since this will be our first page. And on the left side, I'll label this section as Building with Shapes, just to keep everything organized. All right, now we have our frame ready. Let's start building. So instead of using plain color for my frame, I'm going to use a photo as my above the fold background. Here's how you do it. Go to the bottom part of your screen and you'll see a gallery icon. Click that, then choose name or video. After that, a folder will pop up where you can select the image you want to use. Once you've choose your photo, just click anywhere on the canvas and that's it. Your image will appear. Now, most of the time, the image is going to be too big. So what you need to do is to resize it to fit on your frame. Now, you got a photo background instead of plain color. If you want to focus on a specific part of your photo, like certain spot or detail, you can easily crop it. All you need to do is click on the image, and you'll notice an extra toolbar will appear. From there, look for the crop option and click it. Once you're in crop mode, you can adjust the frame and choose exactly which part of the photo you want to show. Just drag it around and resize it until you're happy with the placement. And that's it. You're now customize your image to fit your design perfectly. Now I want to add a rectangular shape at the top of my website. To do that, go to the toolbar at the bottom and click on the shape icon. From there, you can choose what kind of shape you want. For this one, I'm going to select the rectangle because I want to create a long bar across the top of my website, like a header for my above the fold section. Once you select it, just click and drag on your canvas to create the shape and then stretch it across the top until it fits the width of your frame. There you go. That's how you add simple bar using shapes. Of course, I don't want to leave this shape plain. I want to add some color and blend it nicely with my background image. So for this top rectangle, I'm going to change the color. I might go with black. To do that, go to the right side of your canvas. Under the design panel, look for fill. You'll see your color right there. right beside it. You'll see the opacity set to 100%. Just lower that percentage to make your color more transparent. Now it has that nice soft overlaid effect. It's not too heavy but still adds contrast. And to add a bit more detailed, I'm going to add a stroke. I'm still on the right panel, just below fill. You'll see stroke. Turn that on and you can choose any color you like. For me, I'm going to with light gray, just something subtle. As you can see, it adds soft outline around the rectangle, which makes the shape stand out a bit more without being too overpowering.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want more informative and beginner-friendly videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps me create more content about Figma, design, and content creation or AI. Comment below what you want to learn next, and I'll see you in the next video.